Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. If you are looking for a good quality noise-canceling headphone on an optimal budget, then you are watching the right video. In this video, I have fixed the headphones considering the quality, durability, demand, customer rating, and order etc. I hope you like my headphone reviews and you get the best quality headphone you want. You may request that the video be watched in full, as the video is larger. All the links of the headphones are in the description, below the video. Subscribe on my channel, and click on the bell, to stay up to date with latest technology reviews. So, let's get started with the video. In number 5 the headphone is Ausdom M09 wireless headphone. Considering its cheap price, quality, durability, customer rating, and customer demand, I have put this headphone at number 5 on my list. If you're looking at most popular wireless headphones across the board by far, the M09 represent Ausdom's flagship product, and the company's attempt to perfect the active noise-canceling technology they alone invented in the first place. If your first goal is shutting off the outside world, stop reading, put a pair in your cart, and call it a day. The M09 are wireless, and extremely comfortable. And like most wireless headphones, they do still come with a wire, so you can continue listening even after the battery has been depleted, albeit sans noise cancelling. Recently this headphone price is $24.61. However, this headphone have some main feature as: this headphone stayed connected with Bluetooth 4.2, ensures a more stable and reliable connection, 25% faster than the previous version. Ausdom M09 can easily and quickly connect with smartphones, tablets, TVs, and other Bluetooth-enabled devices within 33 feet. It has ergonomic design, maximum comfort, with high-end memory protein ear cups, sponge filler and skin texture touch make a breeze to say goodbye to headache and head sore. This headphone built with 240 mAh battery, it can be played for about 8 hours by wireless connection. When the battery is dead, you can still enjoy wonderful music by connecting your headphone with your device, via the supplied 3.5mm audio cable. Ausdom M09 wired and wireless headphone are compatible with mobile phone, MP3 and MP4, TV, computer, iPad and other Bluetooth devices. This headphone is not only enjoy in Bluetooth version, or audio cable connection, but also support TF card, playing music without connecting to any device, free yourself from harassment of phone. In at number 4 another headphone from Ausdom's, ANC10 noise cancelling headphone. If you're looking for the absolute best way to spend money on headphones, for the computer, Drop's partnership with Ausdom brought a legendary audiophile option. There are a few minor differences between the ANC10 and the M09, but most are cosmetic in nature. The performance of the ANC10 is top-notch, and is much lighter than it looks. If you're the kind of listener who spends a lot of time at the computer, this is the kind of headphones you should be looking for. It allows for better sound quality and clarity, but it also lets in all the outside noise around you. Already this headphone price is $45.71. In this headphone there are some outstanding features such as: this headphone has Bluetooth 5.0 and hands-free call system. Ausdom wireless headphones with the optimized and upgraded new chip solution effectively decrease Bluetooth power consumption and increase its endurance. Also achieve more stable connection, full compatibility and lower latency as well. The over-ear design makes it easier to pick up any incoming calls and enjoy voice chat or call communication. When you are listening to music, releasing yourself from wires without missing any phone call. It has superior sound quality. Featuring dual 40mm high-performance neodymium iron boron speakers, it delivers you powerful deep bass and crystal crisp treble for an all-around impressive HD sound quality. It has active noise-canceling technology, can significant noise reduction for travel, work or anywhere in between. Active noise-canceling headphones allow you to focus on your favorite music or movies anytime anywhere without being distracted by background noise. This headphone designed with first-class comfort. This headphones feature upgraded ultra-soft earpads and an adjustable headband with thickened soft cushion for maximum comfort, which allows you to get better hearing enjoyment, and keep the head comfortable at the same time. This headphone built in a 360 mAh rechargeable battery. The active noise-canceling headphone can work up to 20 hours on a full charge, which means that you can enjoy your wonderful music world without noise, for as long as 20 hours long. With the handy folding design, you can easily fold it to carry along with you or store away. In number 3, the best headphone is Mixcder E9 Noise Cancelling Headphone. The Mixcder E9 are good budget headphones that perform quite well. They have a good overall audio reproduction, and their ANC system is quite decent as well. They have a long enough battery life for a full day, and their design is quite comfortable to wear for hours. However, they do feel a bit plasticky, though they aren't quite as cheap as some other headphones in their price range. On the upside, they have a great and easy-to-use control scheme, and have surprisingly low latency for Bluetooth headphones. Now this headphone price is $49.36. In this headphone some standard packaging are: its advanced noise-canceling technology filters out the low-frequency sound by up to 94%, a noticeable difference compared to regular headphones. If you are on the plane, bus, train, metro or in the car, and there is no loss of audio quality with the noise cancellation on, helping you remain concentrated. Its integrated HD noise-canceling processor and CSR Bluetooth chip realize the best-in-class signal-to-noise ratio, and deliver amazingly exceptional sound quality. Powerful dual 40mm large aperture drivers and upgraded 95 decibels reproduce an unbelievably balanced mid-bass and bright treble. This headphone supports 30 hours playtime per charge at Bluetooth mode. No need to worry about battery drain on the long travel, with the included 3.5mm auxiliary line. Mixcder E9 is lightweight, and can be worn for hours without fatigue. The premium stainless steel slider allows you to find the perfect fit without constraint. The foldable design, plus an extra big deal of airplane adapter, and solid carrying case, make this noise-canceling headphones a perfect larger-than-life entertainment travel companion for you. This headphone built-in noise-rejecting microphone system, for hands-free calls in clear voice. The wireless over-ear headphones features on-ear physical buttons, for active noise cancelling, volume and power, allowing you to turn on and off noise-cancelling function, change tracks and adjust volume directly from ear cup. In number 2, the best headphone is Oneodio A10 Noise Cancelling Headphone. Oneodio A10 is the newest edition award-winning headphone. When shopping for the best noise-canceling headphones, you're looking for a model that can block out sound at the highest level. On the train, in flight, or when walking your dog outside on a beautiful day. You want headphones that allow you to tune out the entire world by minimizing ambient noise. As much as possible, no matter the location or situation. Recently this headphone price is $52.61. The main feature of this headphone is its active noise-canceling technology suppress outside noise, preventing your music, podcasts and audio books from being ruined by the outside world, especially on planes, trains and city streets. Its incredible sound quality custom 40mm large aperture drivers offer clear, natural, and balanced audio quality that's decent for most music genres, a robust sound that perfectly balances clarity, with just the right amount of bass. In the headphone included, Bluetooth 5.0 system. The primary benefits are improved speed and greater range to make sure you're getting the most effective sound blasted into your ears. A built-in CVC 8.0 microphone noise cancelling guarantees hands-free calls in clear voice. This headphone has upgraded soft ear cushions, 90 degrees swiveling ear pads use high-grade memory foam cushion for the ultimate in comfort and long life. When you're ready to give them a rest, simply fold them in the travel case, which due to the portable design. The HPHP1 built-in 750 mAh battery. Outstanding 40-hour battery life will last you multiple long days of audio playback. Up to 25 hours of playtime in Bluetooth active noise cancelling mode. Only take 10 minutes to rapidly charge and get 2 hours of playback. The noise cancellation function can work well both in wire and wireless mode. In number 1, another headphone from Oneodio's A9 Noise Cancelling Headphone. The A9 has an intuitive design with a comfortable fit and great battery life, making it an excellent choice when you want a convenient and long-lasting wireless listening experience. The Oneodio Noise Cancelling Headphone is the best pair of headphones that Oneodio has ever released. If you just want a little more sense of your surroundings, you have more flexibility to find a level that works for you. These headphones also have a lightweight design that is comfortable to wear for hours, and they feature an easy-to-use combination of touch controls and physical buttons that you can access without looking. Already this headphone price is $63.97. However, the main feature of this headphone is the improved hybrid active noise cancelling technology with AMS AS3415 chip, reduces low-frequency sound by up to 96%, providing vastly improved listening quality with much less distractions. Oneodio A9 active noise cancelling headset allow you to deeply focus and immerse in your favorite tunes. The stunning active noise cancelling function can work well both in wireless and wired mode. The fully wrapped over-ear headphones are equipped with upgraded soft ear cushions, 90-degree swiveling ear cups and ergonomic headband in minimum weight materials for comfy all-day wear. Endless comfort caters to your longest playlists. With handy folding design, you can easily fold them into the included storage case, to carry along or store away. The headphone has superior bass sound. The dual 40mm drivers of this over-ear Bluetooth headset provide with world-class bass sound. The mid and high ranges are also clear and balanced. Even you turn to the high volume, the distortion is minimal. And the noise-canceling built-in microphone delivers crystal clear speech clarity for business and personal calls, even in the busiest of environments. It has 500 mAh powerful battery, up to 30 hours of battery life on a single charge, keeps you listening instead of charging all the time. Additionally, you are allowed to enjoy unlimited music playing by connecting the Bluetooth headphones, with the included audio cable, when the battery's low. Oneodio A9 Bluetooth headphones represent you an exceptional listening experience anytime and anywhere without disconnection or break. Purchasing the headphones, you will enjoy 24-hour professional service, 30-day full amount money back, 24-month quality warranty and 365-day technical support. Don't forget to subscribe and I request to share this video.